Okay, so today we're out here at the Indian Sands. It's a bit rainy in Oregon, but I mean, what else is new? This is one of my personal favorites when it comes to hiking because it's pretty intense actually. It's a lot of downhill, it's a steep incline, but if you are looking for a decent way to get your blood pumping, I highly recommend this trail. It's roughly, I don't know, a mile or two outside of the town of Brookings, Oregon. It's on the coast side, so you'll see in a minute we're going to get down to the water, which is amazing out here. And you'll see why it's called Indian Sands. Okay, we get to some pretty steep steps right here. Gotta watch yourself because we have pretty steep steps which turn into a magnificent little trail, which is personally one of the better parts of this because it's not as steep. Then we end up coming out to the coastal side of it. Then we end up out here on the beach, which is by far one of my personal favorite spots to be. I mean, just look at this. I always say there's not very many places where you can be standing on top of a mountain, or essentially a mountain, and actually have access to sand. One thing to note, if you do plan on coming out here, you have to be wary of the weather because it rains pretty frequent during the wintertime. I'm gonna say out of 7 days, it probably rains about maybe 4 or 5 days. Not gonna lie, like this week we have some pretty bad weather, but as long as you can get used to that, you should be fine. Come the summer months, the places out here get pretty full. Camping is ridiculous trying to find a spot, but if you can suffer through all that, you can definitely enjoy some of the trails that we have out here.